Greetings, gamers. Today, we are diving in a topic that has been causing frustration for PlayStation users worldwide. If you have ever encountered the infuriating issue of PlayStation Store search not working, then you are at the right place. In the vast world of gaming, having a seamless and efficient shopping experience is paramount. However, when the PlayStation Store search feature fails to function properly, it can be a real buzzkill. But worry not, as we are here to unravel the mysteries and provide you with solutions to get your gaming groove back. In this video, we'll explore the common reasons behind the PlayStation Store search not working problem, dissect its impact on your gaming experience, and most importantly, equip you with troubleshooting techniques to resolve the issue. So whether you are a seasoned gamer or new to the PlayStation universe, grab your controller and prepare to conquer the search bug that's been plaguing your PlayStation Store. Get ready as we dive into the depths of the vexing issue and emerge with solutions to enhance your gaming journey. I'm your host, and together, let's unlock the secrets to fix the PlayStation Store search not working problem once and for all. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. One user on Reddit posted,
"Hi all. I tried using the search function on the PSN store and I receive a there are no content items message. I googled and noticed that the same thing happened a few years ago. I just wanted to know if anyone else is having this issue."
See, the thing is, it happens all the time, especially with me, and according to my experience, what you can do is just repeat the search until it works, or manually find the game. That's how I resolved this issue, and that's what I can suggest to other users as well. Try this once and write yes or no down in the comment section if it works for you or not. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.